everyone, it is I, Phantom Master, and welcome back to a Ratchet and Clank Let's Play. Now today, I might actually try to complete the water level in Ratchet and Clank, which is the very hardest level of the game, which we all hate. I already saw the other Phantom Let's Plays, and it's very hard, as I know it. But this time, Phantom Master will actually try to attempt to do this level for you guys. Yeah, currently Snowy the Derpy Wolf is doing a live stream right now. Oh no! Shout out to Snowy, shout out to Snow the Derpy Wolf. You are a great YouTuber.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
I hope you're watching this because this is very great. I really love this game. I want to reload first. First, I'm going to take a look around so you guys don't have to waste all my time. So you've probably already seen this. So we're going this way, as you probably guys know already. I'm about to go. No! I have to get eaten again. Just hurry up already. Thank you. I don't want to be here all day. They're like, oh, you guys are wondering what? Oh, Phantom Master, why are you killing yourself? Well, it's because I couldn't jump across here. So, I see there's a lot of static in the screen. That's not good. I also know who Ratron 212 is. We already gave him a shout out though. We have to drain the water in this level. Yes, I was right. Sorry guys, sorry why we're playing the same Let's Play over again. It's because we're trying to beat this. Okay, now that's deal done with. I'm going to have to go back the other way. Okay, now guys, this is where the hardest part of the level actually is at. I'm going to attempt to actually try to beat this today. I don't know if I can, but if we don't, then the next animatronic will do the next Let's Play. I think the objective is to get ahead of the water, which is what we're trying to do. Oh, not off to a good start, but that's okay. I'm not a rager like Brennan Wolf is. I'm already drowning, but that's okay. I can go up and get some more. We're already going to die already, but I assume that because I noticed on all the other Let's Plays that this part is actually really bright, so you guys won't... Let's just drown. No, I don't know if we're actually going to beat this right away. I don't know. I noticed that the water... objective is to try to get ahead of the water as fast as you can. I think the only one that's ever gotten close was Toy Marty. I mean, Phantom Toy Marty, actually. Okay, now this. No, that's not what I wanted to do. I see all the other Phantoms have gotten close. Yeah, I believe it's just right up there, which... Okay, I'm gonna try the helmet and see if it works. So I'm going to go to... over here. Wait, no, I think it's gadgets. No, exit here. Gadgets. Okay, let's try this. Because this was working. Yeah, it seems to be working better. Whatever this is doing, it's working. Are you kidding me? I think we had it! Yeah, that's literally the lucky tool here we need to do this with. I really want to beat this. Oh my gosh! He threw me in the water! He messed me up! No, I am not letting the water get ahead of me. I'm gonna try diving onto the platform before it reaches water level. No, dive down. That's the closest we ever gotten. I believe it's just right up there and that's it. I don't know what to do, guys. I really don't know. I wonder if there's like a way to stop the water from coming out. This time, I believe we're actually going to beat it. Maybe that's it. Yes! No! don't know what to do. I think I'm just going to give up. Because I really hate this. I don't want to do it. I don't know what to do, guys. I'm running out of ideas. Alright, guys. So please give this video a thumbs if you liked it. Please subscribe if you want to see some more Ratchet and Clank. And I'll see you guys next time. And let us know down in the comments below if you want Spring Ellie to complete this level. Okay, guys. I'll see you guys later.